Good morning guys. So last night I didn't film because we picked up the motorhome yesterday and then Jack and Katie drove all the way up to Yorkshire to pick us up, and then we had another hour and a half drive to our campsite, but we stopped off overnight just outside Penrith, and we pitched up here for the night because we were all knackered and we just needed somewhere to relax and sleep and yeah, just refuel. So it's now the morning, it's the next day. We're at Riverside Tourer Park, which super basic, but yeah, it's really nice. So I just wanted to show you around our little van because, as you can see, it's bloody massive. So I'll do a little tour at some point during the trip. But yeah, we have packed up this morning. We filled up with electricity and with water. And today we are going further north and we are going across the border into Scotland. So really excited to finally get back into Scotland again. I blooming love Scotland, so really excited, and we are heading towards Loch Lomond, but we'll probably stop a few times on the way. So yeah, I will do a quick tour of the motorhome now and then you'll see our journey into Scotland. So the company we've hired it from is a company called Just Go. My brother hired it. It's massive. It's a 5-berth caravan. It's got some storage under here, an immense amount of storage, so we've chucked all of our suitcases and we've like hooked up to the electricity as well out here. And this is where the water, we filled up with water this morning. But yeah, this thing's massive. So we're really impressed with the size of it, and I'll show you inside as well. So ignore the mess a little bit, but this is our little van. So you've got a seating area here, which also turns into a single bed. And we slept in this last night. So you've also got a double bed up here, which is above the driver's compartment. And it's got like a safety net as well. This is the kitchen, and you've got like a cooker section under here. Put this down nice and slowly. Sink, oven, and a fridge as well with everything in. In here we've got compostable toilet, which you can take out on the other side of the van outside. Mirror, whatnot, and then a shower is up there, but it comes down from the sink, and then there's a little shower curtain as well. That's the bathroom. And if you come back here, it's still out from last night at the moment, but this is the seating area at the back. Let me see if I can turn some light on.
I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
So Jack and Katie are engaged and me and Thea are engaged, so we just thought we'd pop along and learn a little bit more about Gretna Green and why it became so famous. There's a little bit of history on the wall over here, and it said that in 1754 England banned couples under the age of 21 from getting married without parental consent. So it was why a lot of couples in that era came up to Gretna Green to get married. So yeah, we just wanted to have a little wander around and see what it's like.
But I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love
just arrived in Glasgow. We're not stopping here though, we are simply passing through, heading straight to Loch Lomond.
The gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So we're down here now, and then we're driving up here in a little bit, and then we're staying around here, I think, in the Trossachs. So we've just parked up and we've arrived in a lovely little town called Balloch, which is at the southern tip of Loch Lomond. We're going to have a little wander around. We did try and get on a loch cruise, but unfortunately we've missed the last one of the day, so we might try and do that tomorrow instead. But we're instead going to have a little wander around the country park and try and find Balloch Castle. It looks really pretty on Instagram, so let's see. Look at this view.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me.
We've just arrived at our final stop of the day in Balloch along the coast of Loch Lomond, and we have just come and find the Tom Weir statue. He's a famous countryside broadcaster and is very much loved here in Scotland, so they've made a beautiful statue right next to the loch, and then we're going to have a little walk down to the edge of the loch, and then we're off to our next campsite for our second evening in the motorhome. Alright mate.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We've just arrived at Gretna Falls, and this place is beautiful. It is tipping it down though, so I'll show you around. Behind me is the falls, and then there's this cute little bridge. I moved the umbrella. See?
Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We've just arrived at our final campsite of the trip, Loch Lomond, which is just outside Edinburgh, because we've got to take the van back tomorrow morning, so we wanted to be super close, so it didn't take very long tomorrow morning. We want to get rid of the van at about 9 AM tomorrow morning, and then we're jumping on a train back to pick up our car basically. So yeah, had a wonderful trip, but I'm happy to go home. We've been away for over a week now, so I'm really excited to head home.
And I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me.
We have just arrived in Edinburgh, and we are saying goodbye to our beautiful motorhome. We're just checking it back in, and then we're getting a taxi from here to Edinburgh City Centre, where we are then getting a train. We were doing one way because it was a lot cheaper with this company, so we are getting the train back home in a minute.